Hello everyone. Just as I promised at the Lucy Walker Jewelry Forum, I am giving you a tour of my studio. This is where I take photos and where I edit them, where I do work for my jewelry. And as you can see, it's just a little old-fashioned desk, nothing special here. And I'm going to come over here, show you my brand new gem setting station with my microscope. All of this furniture, except for one bench, is non-jewelry that's been adapted. So this particular corner affair I got from IKEA a long time ago, like back in 2004. This is my one and only actual jeweler's bench, and you can see I've got it pretty well lit. Lots of tools set up over here. I got my mandrels, my frets hammers, and my assorted other hammers here. I put a light in so that I could see inside my little shelves here. And this is where I keep all of my tools and supplies. Well, not all the supplies. There's my micro motor. Over here, this is my dapping, hole punching, and cutting area and sanding area. And you can see that I'm making do with a paper cutter. This is an all metal one. It will do up to 18 gauge, and since that's mostly what I use, that's it. Here's my little kitties stuff. This is my packing and shipping area over here. And you can see it also holds my shoes when I come in. And there's an order there getting ready to go out. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is my studio, which was originally the living room of this apartment. So you can see the kitchen is over here. Oh, one more section of my studio, rolling mill with some extra texture rollers, my polishing station, my pickle pot, I talked about this, and my 3D printer. Plus, it's also a laser engraver and a router set. I'm still learning how to use it. There is my drill press and my tumbler. And over here, I have a ring stretching tool. And this center is where I do my soldering. As you can see, if I need to melt something scrap, I use this big torch here. Otherwise, it's all butane, a couple with big openings, one with small. I have a clamp mounted on with a bracelet bending set. I also have a Pepe Tools ring bending set and my anvil down here. And so I have, this is just a ceramic tile I use, keep the mess down a little bit. And that, my soldering station, is a pizza stone wired onto an old brass tray that I took apart a plastic Lazy Susan and put the Lazy Susan bits on the bottom. And this is it. Oh, and this thing I found at a yard sale. It's got amazing drawers and I totally love it. It's very heavy. That's it.